Hello everyone, today let's go for a ride in the Hyundai Veloster N 2021 model 6-speed. So one thing we all know about the Veloster N and the Elantra N, they have pretty crazy sounding exhausts. The exhausts just sound pretty cool. The seats, however, are not very comfortable in this car from first impression. The seats are not comfortable at all. There's obviously they're cloth seats, but in general, they're just not comfortable. So this car does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wired. Handles pretty well. I'm going to put it in N mode. But one thing about this car, the clutch is very, very weird. It's just so springy. And it just, I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but there's like no weight to the clutch. It's just very springy, and then it's kind of hard to drive this car if you've never driven it. Even if you're an experienced manual driver, you'll probably stall it the first few times you drive this car. Yeah, like it takes so long to get used to this clutch. Has a shift light indicating when you should upshift, which is kind of cool. Those pops are pretty cool. Look at those downshifts. Watching this video on the Hyundai Veloster N, and stay tuned for more content.